Hey there! So, imagine you're trying to access your home directory and Mac hard disk from the sidebar in Finder, but for some reason, they're nowhere to be found. Frustrating, right? Well, the good news is that there's a solution to this problem on macOS 12.6.9. Let's dive into how you can fix this issue. In order to actually see your home directory and Mac hard disk in the sidebar, simply hover over Favorites and click on the Reveal arrow or Show, depending on your operating system. This action will expand the Favorites section and display the missing items you've been looking for. Voila! Your home and hard disk should now be visible in the sidebar, making it much easier for you to access them. In summary, if you're facing the problem of not being able to see your home directory and Mac hard disk in the Finder sidebar, all you need to do is click the Reveal arrow or Show when hovering over Favorites. This simple solution will ensure that your favorite locations are readily available for easy access. And with that, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or your favorite Mac-related joke. Happy browsing, and until next time.